Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Pravindra from Dice University, and it has been so long since I saw you all. And today's video is going to be really interesting. It's going to be native ads training using ClickBank. It's going to be really interesting, guys. But before we proceed to today's video, just the usual, guys. Please support this channel by hitting the red big subscribe button as well as the like button for this video only if you like this video, not now, guys, at the end of the video, as well as the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. So I will be seeing you inside today's video. So are you ready? Let's go.
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Welcome to today's video, everybody. It has been some time since I last get the glimpse of everybody, guys, but I'm back today, and in today's video we are going to talk about native ads training using ClickBank. So we're gonna go briefly on native ads and then we're gonna dive in into native ads. So basically, what is actually native ads, guys? So if you take a look at Outbrain, they are actually a very famous native advertising platform. So what they actually said about native ads is they gave this definition regarding native ads. So native advertising is the use of paid ads that match the look, feel and function of a media format whichever they appear. Native ads are often found in social media feeds, recommended content, web page, unlike display ads or banner ads. Native ads don't really look like an ad. They look like a part of an editorial flow, and the key to advertising is that it's not disruptive. It exposes the reader to advertising content without sticking out like a sore thumb. So basically, what they are telling you regarding native ad, they are telling you that native ads are actually paid ads, and this paid ads is a paid ad which looks like not an ad. It looks like a normal content in whichever media format that they actually appear. And you can actually see here they actually say that they appear in social media feeds. That is for if you actually open Facebook. Let's open Facebook, and I'm going to show you guys. So if you actually open Facebook, right, my Facebook has turned into dark Facebook. That's nice. So you can actually see this is actually a normal post, and when you scroll down, this is actually a native ad post. You can actually see there's a sponsored symbol over here, right? So this is actually a native ad post. It appears here. So let's see one more. So STM. So it looks exactly like a normal post, but then it's actually sponsored, and the only way you can actually find that out is by having this word here. So you can actually find native ads in Google as well. So let's go Google and type in something. Perhaps let's go find jeans. So if you go ahead and find jeans, you can see this is actually a normal jeans, normal SEO generated content, and this is actually a native ads content. Look at that, it looks similar, right? So the only difference here is actually there is like an ad symbol here. So this is actually a search native ads. So there's like a social media native ads, there's search native ads. Let's see different examples as well. So if you go ahead and press example of native ads and then you open the image over here, you can actually find different type of native ads. You can actually see over here which is native ads. This is not native ads, this is actually a native ad. So you can actually open this page. Let's see 19 amazing native advertising examples. So you can actually see this is actually native ad in BuzzFeed. You can actually see that they have a sponsored content which looks exactly the same like their recommended content. Same goes to here Adobe. So you can actually see they actually have their content which is a sponsored content from our advertisers, which look, you can see also all these are sponsored content which look exactly the same like a normal content, right? So let's take a look at more Twitter. So Twitter, so this is a normal content and this is actually a sponsored ad. The only thing different is that they have a promoted symbol here, just like what we showed you in social media just now. So that's the only thing that differs. So this is actually social media. So you can see this one as well. So when you scroll down, this is in BBC Future. So there's a lot of different type of native advertising. Let's see if we have anything else that we couldn't see. So mostly okay, normal. All right, so these are normal native advertising, guys. So since we have already talked about native advertising, now we're going to give you some basic training of native advertising, how native ads work, and how you're actually going to build your native ads campaign. So simple, let's talk from the perspective of the user. It's very easy. First, you go ahead and then you as a user, you was browsing through, let's say, BuzzFeed food, right? Then you take a look, then suddenly you will find a normal ad like this, and then what happens is when you click on this, they will actually lead you directly to the landing page of that particular native ad. Usually it will be in advertorial format or advertising format depending. So once you have actually done that, the next thing is that from the landing page, it will actually bring you to the offer page, and the offer page is where something happens. Let's say they collect lead, they actually collect deposit. It depends on what type of pricing model that they were working at. Is it CPL, CPI, cost per install, cost per sale, and all this kind of stuff, guys? So that's how it all happens. So this is the flow. So when we are actually building the native ads, we are going to do the flow in the opposite direction. So what do I mean by that? Simple. So if we're gonna go to ClickBank. ClickBank is the biggest affiliate network that I know, which is a very, very famous affiliate network, especially for beginner affiliate marketers, because it's so easy to actually sign up into ClickBank. All you got to do is just hit the sign up button here, and then you can literally go ahead and fill up all this information, and that's it. There's no like a verification process or anything like that. Just go ahead and sign up. So let me just sign in. I have a dormant account which I always use for the purpose of these videos. So once you are in ClickBank, sorry guys, it's raining, so the thunder sound is great. I don't know whether you can hear it or not. So this is a dormant account that I have for the purpose of videos. So once we are in ClickBank, we have to go to the marketplace section. So once you're in the marketplace section, you can actually see various type of offers available. You can't see that here, but you can actually see various type of categories over here, and each categories has their own sub niches. So these are niches, so each niches has their sub niches. So there's various way on how you can actually go ahead and choose offers from the ClickBank. So you can either go Google, you can find from different database which type of ClickBank offer is like working really, really well. Then you can actually go ahead and adopt that particular ClickBank offer. Or else, what else you can do more is you can literally go ahead and just choose whatever niche that you like. For example, you want sports, for example, just choose a sport niche, and then you just choose an offer from the sport niche that you want. So this is one of the method, and the one that I like the most is I will just go to find products. I will literally click on this button, which what will happen is that all the results, which is 3,659 results of the ClickBank offers, will appear here. So what I will do is I will sort the results by gravity. Gravity simply means that how many people have actually used, convert with this ClickBank offer in the last 30 days. So look at this. This one is a research, right? So you can actually see they have like 780 people have actually converted in this offer for the last 30 days, guys. So what I will do is I'll choose an offer, whichever offers which has one of the filtration processes that I'll choose whichever offers that has gravity more than 30. That's the first filtration process. So once I did with the first filtration process, I'll go to the next filtration process. Let's say we're going to choose this brain training. Let's do something else, guys. Let's do something that we never did before, but it's a good one. So mostly I've actually did all of these offers. So this is actually I think it's a brand new offer. Is it? top titanium offer. So we're gonna click on this offer. Oh, so we did this offer before. So let's do something else. Let's do my shed plans, which has like a 100 gravity. So my shed plans. Okay, this is something that I never do. It's similar like woodworking. So what we're gonna do is that what we will usually do is we'll check out the offer page and we will see whether the offer page is nice or not. Usually the offer page will have a video that you can actually play with. This is like a very regular ClickBank offer. So they will have a videos that you can play. But I will always look for an offer page which has a call to action button. Hopefully this one has a call to action button. They do have a call to action button there, but they only have one. They should have like few call to action button. uh, they have three call to action button, but all down. They should have it like over here or something, but this is still a good offer. So you'll know clearly that they need to pay $337, and what you will get paid for, you'll get paid around uh 25 $24. This is like an average sales that you make. So this kind of stuff you need to know. And once you have know that, what you next thing I will do is I will check out the affiliate page as well. Sorry, oops, let me just go to the affiliate page. Where's the offer, guys? Oops, I just lost the offer. Oh my god, it's the page number 4, page number 3. So page number, oh my god, it should be page number 4. Oh no, it's not in sports. My bad, guys. So we're gonna check all this. It's page number 3 or page number 4. So page number 3. So this one is right. So we're gonna check out the affiliate page as well. So once you go to the affiliate page, what we will try to look is we try to look at the sales structure. We want to have a proper sales structure. You need to know what you're selling, how much you're selling, what's the upsell, and how much you will get. You might get up to $90 per lead, guys. So this is what you need. And also when you're doing a ClickBank offer, what I would highly suggest you to have is these guys have a landing page. Crazy, man. I'm just gonna check out your landing page. So you want to see if they have quite a number of resources that you can actually use. Like for example, this one. Oh, this is just the offer page. It's not a landing page, guys. So what I will take a look at is take me to offer page. I would like to look at articles because we need articles or email swipe to actually go ahead and do a native ads, guys. So once we have a good article or good email swipes, like something like this or something like this, then we can actually use this kind of stuff to build our native advertising, guys. Sorry, our landing page. So that will be the step one. So what we will do is once we have done that, we have choose this offer. So you're gonna hit promote, and then it's gonna generate hop links. This is your offer link. You'll copy this, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna go volume. So once you go volume, what you will do is you will create an offer. You go to the offer section, and then you'll press new offer, and you just fill up everything public. You fill up the affiliate network, ClickBank. Oh, I'm going to tell you, you need to create this affiliate network first. Then you're going to check out the country they're going to target. Is it global or you're targeting a specific country? And then you're going to paste your offer URL here. So sorry, so you're going to, this is our offer URL. So you're gonna paste our offer URL here, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put and you're gonna paste this CID times click ID. So you can see the token has been activated, which means whatever that happening here would be actually tracked. So that's how you create an offer. So once you have done that, you're done with step one, which is the offer. So you're going to go to step two, which is creating landing page. But before that, with volume itself, you need to actually do a little bit setup. First thing is that you need to integrate ClickBank with volume, with the postback URLs. And then what you need to do is you need to set up the traffic source. You need to set up the affiliate network that you're using freehand before you're doing a campaign. And once all that, then you can actually proceed. So that's step one, guys. So step two is getting into land right. So Landerize is the landing page builder that we're gonna use. It's a normal landing page builder with a drag and drop templates and everything, but it's specially catered for affiliate marketers and affiliate page. It's created by our very own Colin Dice himself. The link to Landerize is in the description of this video if you are interested to know more. So once you are here, what you can actually do is you need to set up Landrise first, guys. So make sure like everything it requires setup. So you need to go to the getting started section, read all this tutorial, especially step 2 and step 3 is very important, where they will actually teach you on how to set up Amazon S3, how to set up AWS web services, and how to connect your AWS web services with Landrise, how to connect the domains and everything. Make sure you do all this, guys. This one I will take, these 2 steps will take around 30 minutes, guys, but it's really worth it. And without this video, it's actually really hard to do this. So make sure you take a look at this video and then you do it properly. So once you have actually done it neatly and everything, then we can actually proceed to the next step. But keep in mind that without doing this step, you will not be able to proceed to the next step. You have to keep this in mind, guys. So once we have done with this steps, then you can actually go to my landing page, and then you can start creating new landing pages. Very, very easy to do that. Let's say I want to do a landing page. So I want to create a landing page. So what will happen when you hit create a landing page is they will show you the available templates. Currently there's like 58 templates, and don't worry, Landrise is adding at least 4 brand new high converting templates every single day. What they mean by high converting templates is that all these templates have been tested and optimized by Colin Dice and their team themselves, and all of these offers cater for different reasons, brand sweepstakes, Nutra, and all these kind of stuff, guys. So you can see a lot of landing page. So what I meant is, you know, this kind of advertorial kind of thing, this is what works very well with native ads. So once we choose an advertorial that we're going to use, perhaps for example, we're going to choose this one, right? Let's say this is actually made specifically for ClickBank. So you're going to choose this one, and then we're going to do test 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10. So once you rename it, you can actually start editing the land. So it's loading. Let's just wait for it to actually load, and then we can actually proceed further. So here it is. So it's very easy to edit something with Landrise, guys. So if you want to copy the whole thing, just hit the brown button, change the text, and then it's been copied. So if you want to edit something, just hit the pencil button, then you can just keep editing. You want to change the color, you can change it. You want to make it bold, italic, underline, um, line in the middle, and all this kind of stuff. So if you want to embed a link, hit this chain button and just put your link here. You can do a lot of stuff, guys. So if you want to delete, you can just hit the brown button and delete the whole thing. See, all these kind of stuff will work, guys. So if you want to edit image, all the image will have a recommended size that you can actually edit. So you can actually put image on this size. If you don't know where to actually resize the images, you can actually go to canva.com. Canva.com is a software created specially for people without any designing background to design stuff. So you can actually go create design there, custom dimension. You can put this dimension and resize the images really nicely. It can be done, guys. So that's about it, guys. So once you have done all, you can actually follow the flow, guys. So if you cancel this, you can actually see all the flows. So you can actually edit all this properly, step by step, guys. Step by step, just edit everything, and keep in mind that everything is very easy to edit, and most of the stuffs within Landrise are customizable. So once you have done all that, these are the things that I want to actually tell you. So the last part would be the privacy policy, the terms and condition, and the contact. What I would highly suggest you to do is, usually with native ads, it's not required for you to actually have these terms and condition, privacy policy, and this site is not from Facebook and blah blah blah, all these guys. But this is usually to protect yourself. This is like a protection for you, not for the company or anything. It's so that you don't get legal issues, you don't get sued and all this kind of stuff. So what I will suggest is create a website, definitely you have a website, you connected that with the landrise domain, right? So create a page in that website, put privacy policy, terms and condition, and contact all there, guys. So if you don't know where to get this, there's actually a template in Dice University that you can actually use. The template is just you can actually hit there's a description in sorry there's a link in the description of this video stating Dice University forum. Click on that particular link and you can actually get access to, you can, once you are inside there, you can actually get access to this template. But if you want an easy way out, sometimes if you go to the offer page, right, this is the offer page, right? So if you scroll down to the offer page, sometimes they will have their own privacy policy and they will have their own terms and conditions. So what you got to do is just copy their privacy policy and then you can actually paste it here. You can do that, don't worry. So you can copy the terms and condition, you can put the contact. Is there any contact? They do not have a contact. So totally depending, so you can actually delete the contact if you don't want to. So you can do stuffs like that. So once you have done all that, make sure you hit the save button, and then what you need to do is you need to go back to the gear icon. You can even change the background, by the way. So you can even change the background color, for example, anything. Most of the stuffs here are customizable. So you can actually go to the gear icon, change the page title. Usually how we will change the page title is that we will take a look at the offer, so my shade plan. So that's how we will change the page title. We want our landing page to look almost similar as our offer page. So that's what we will do. So once you have done that, the destination URL is the URL that you're going to take from volume. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to volume. If you don't know where to get this, this is what we call as a click URL. So you can actually go to the gear icon in volume. Once you're here, you can actually go to the tracking URLs and then you can actually see what they call as click URL. So this is your click URL, not multi-offer click URL. You can do that as well, but you're going to copy the click URL and then you're going to paste it here. So once you paste it here, you're going to hit change all links, blah, blah, blah. It's going to load again. Once it has successfully load again, just recheck everything is good. If everything is good, you're going to hit publish. So when you hit publish, they will ask you to choose a domain. This is why I told you that you need to set up all the domains. You need to connect all that first before proceeding further. There was just a massive lightning and the whole thing shut down, so I have to re-record back from the way it stopped. So this is where we stop, right? So that we have to choose a domain, and then once you choose a domain, you hit publish. There will be a prompt here showing you this link. This is the link that you're going to use to create your lander here in volume. So you're going to go back to the volume tracker and then you're going to go lander. So what you're going to do is you're going to do the normal stuff what you did with the offer as well. So you're going to press new lander, you're going to do lander, and then you're going to just change the workspace, the country, and here is where you're going to paste the lander. If everything is good, for example, you can actually go ahead and verify the landing page and it will show you whether all is good or not. So hit save button and that's it, guys. You're done with step 2. So now we can actually go to step 3, which is building a campaign with ZeroPark. So first thing, you have to integrate the traffic source itself. Then once you have done that, you have to go ahead and create a campaign tracker first before you do a campaign here. So it's very easy, guys. Just go campaign, press new campaign, simple. You're gonna do workspace, you're gonna do traffic source, ZeroPark, for example. You're gonna do workspace, and then you're gonna do country, campaign destination. You're not gonna change path destination. You're not gonna change redirect mode. You're not gonna change. No, I'm just lying. Redirect mode is the one that you're gonna change to 302 into double meta refresh, and then you're gonna choose an offer. You're gonna choose the offers and the lander that you created. You're going to hit save. So once you hit save, it will be completed and your campaign will look something like, let me just show you guys. Oops, something happened with my campaign. Let me just show you guys how your campaign will actually look like. So if you go to your campaigns, what is this? Did I choose a grouping or something? Okay, whatever, guys. So this is my campaign, right? So this, all these are running. I'm just going to show you something. So once you click edit, this is how your campaign will look like. and then you'll have something which we call as tracker, and in this tracking is this campaign URL. This is very important. This is what you're going to paste within your traffic source. So different traffic source has different way of creating ads. I'm just going to show you guys sample on how it usually works. So you're going to go Zero Park, you're going to create a new campaign, and then you're going to choose a traffic source type, push or native, for example. So this is going to be native, sorry. So you're going to go here, in-app native. So you're going to do native, and then this is how native's format will look like. So you're going to go ahead and start doing the whole campaign. So it's very simple, guys. So the first thing that you need to do is this one, add format. This is how your native app will look like. So you put a name and status after approval. It's usually active. You're not going to do post. It means that once you finish your campaign, is it going to be active or post? So once you have done that, offer, this is where your creative is going to be. And keep in mind, this is your pixel, this is your size. So if you do not know how to resize, just go Canva. And then Canva is actually a tool used by people without any designing background to design stuff. You can go create design, custom dimension, and you can resize the whole thing according to this. Once you have done all that, your campaign URL, you're gonna copy and you're gonna paste it here. So when you paste it here, everything will be okay. Conversion payout automated. And then now you're gonna do targeting. Just select a country you want to target, for example Canada. Well, they only have for these three countries, Zero Park. So adult filters, non-adult, divide filters, only mobile operating systems you can choose. You can choose the timing, frequency, and over here you can choose the budget. So it's only cost per view. Keep in mind that this particular model has only cost per view. They do not have CPC. So you can actually put a bidding here, and then you can adjust your budget here as well. But keep in mind that the campaign budget minimum is actually $20. So you can adjust the campaign budget, and here is your post back URL, guys. So everything looks good. So all you gotta do is just hit save, continue, and that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and build a native ad campaign with Zero Park and using Landrise. We just showed you on how to do it. We didn't do the whole campaign, but definitely we'll be doing a whole campaign very soon, so you have to stay tuned for that. So that's about it from me, guys. So before I go, I just want to remind you, please support this channel by hitting the subscribe button, the red big button, as well as the like button for this video, only if you like this video, as well as the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. And also I want you to know that there is actually an link if you want to use Landrise in the description of this video, and there's also a link in the description of this video bringing you to a Dice University forum, a forum where affiliate comes from all over the world to reach out, to share their thoughts, and to build a community. It's really good, guys. So basically that's about it from me, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video and today's video was beneficial for you, and that's it, guys. So I'll be seeing you in the next one. Till then, ta-ta, bye bye.